Hello and welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. It has been a while, but we are back with new tool reviews. Today, we're going to eyeball the new Makita XRJ07, or in other countries, known as DJR188 reciprocating saw. Let's see how this brand new subcompact tool with up to 3,000 strokes per minute perform in our hands. So brace yourself for some sawdust here. First, we play it hard in our garden and we take a look on how that bad boy can handle twigs and branches. It is notable the ultra-compact size can help you when you cut in tight places. Even one-handed operation is possible. It is time to have a closer look at the essentials of that saw. It is well balanced and the soft grip handle is pretty much the same like the ones you know from other tools from Makita. The safety lock button is accessible with ease, even with gloves. The tool comes along with a one-finger trigger. We do not mind to see a two-finger trigger for an upgraded version in the near future. As you can see, changing the blade is like a walk in the park, and in our humble opinion, it is easier than doing it with other recipro saws from Makita. Time to cut some wood, because wood is good. Samples show some pieces up to 3-inch thick. It is recommendable to use a different vise. That one cannot handle the pure power of the strokes. Our bad. So yeah, the subcompact tool is indeed pretty handy and easy to operate. Cutting speed is alright, and the whole tool with the BL1850 weighs only 5.7 pounds, and it comes along a total length of 12.5 inches. The LED got a pre- and afterglow function. That might be suitable for plumbers and electricians. All in all, the XRJ07 is ideal for quick and dirty cutting and demolition applications. Alright folks, these are my 2 cents for under 2 minutes. We hope you enjoyed our video, and stay tuned for more. Your guys from It Started